Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Beauty Style Mama. Today I am going to share another K beauty products which is related to skincare, and now I add this product in my daily routine again. And I know if you are following me on my Instagram, you know that before that I share with you my personal favorite K beauty skincare related brand, and now we have these are what you can say, it's a multi cotton pads. It includes 50 sheets, and it is used for cleansing your face, for removing your makeup, and for you a very unique style of that is like if you dip in your favorite serum or something else and you put on your face, you can use it like a sheet mask type thing. So I am going to show you. It is like double sheet. It's like that. Can you see that? It's like double sheet, and one sheet is enough for me, so I use only one sheet today. Before doing my this makeup look, I use that for cleaning my face after washing with my face cleanser and the routine which I already share with you on my YouTube video also. And I will put my link in this video in the description of that video also, because I am using these products from YesStyle. And if you don't know what is YesStyle, YesStyle is a website in which you can buy K beauty products from expensive brand also, and from low cost brand also, and clothing, style, bags, kids clothes, and very good things, and home related items. If you want to check, you can see in my description below. I will link it, and you can check the website also, and I will put the link of these things also. And then I used that cotton pad with this is TIRTIR Rosemary 1 essence, and it's rosemary extract, calming, moisturizing, antioxidant, and it's very good. It's natural and it's cruelty free brand, and I like that. And but you can see it is all the Korean language there, and but you can see the English version also. And the packaging is very good. You can see it, their packaging is really, see, the packaging is really luxurious, and it is very good. I like it, and it smells really fresh like rosemary. But if you have allergy with any fragrance, I am sure that you cannot break out with this, because the fragrance is very mild and very calming. It is not like too much fragrance like other products, and it's very good, like essential oil thing, but it's very light. And then after that I use this Propolis light Ampoule. If you don't know what is Propolis is it's like a honey bee saliva, and it is extract with these things, and it is very good for face hydration, and if your skin is super dry like me, because my skin is dry, and in winters it becomes super dry from this area, my nose area. If you can see that my nostrils are very dry, and it comes like layers from my skin. So I am very concerned about my skincare because my skin is very dry. So I use this, and there is a glycerine also, and see the bottle is super cute, and there is like dropper in it, and it's little sticky when it comes out in your hand, and you see that it's very sticky, but after sometimes the stickiness gone, and it's really absorbed in your skin within a minute, and you will see the hydration. See, before I use my makeup, I use this as my skin moisturizer, skin serum, and I really admire these things because it's very hydrating if you have dry skin. I lost my words sometimes, and but it's very good if you want to try it if you have dry skin. I'm telling you again and again, it's for dry skin because it is made from honey bee, and you know that honey is good for dry skin, not for oily and combination skin. These are my 3 things which I want to share with you from YesStyle influencer. I will link in my description all about these products. So keep watching and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to give thumbs up, and don't forget to click the bell button. It's totally free if you. Thanks for watching. Till my next video. Bye.